Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a beautiful story for you. This story will help you learn English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Imagine this.
You are at the airport. Your bags are ready. Your family is ready. You are so excited. And then you look at the screen and your heart stops. The flight is gone. This is the story of the Smith family, the day they missed their flight. Let us begin.
Sarah, wake up! We have to go! We have to go now!
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock, Sarah. Our flight is at 8. We have to leave right now.
5 o'clock? Oh no! No. Why did the alarm not ring? I need to pack Sam's bag, and Lily's bag, and my bag. Okay, Sarah. Stay calm. Stay calm. We have time. We have a little time.
Sam, wake up! We have to go!
Dad, my shoes are under the bed.
What?
My shoes, Dad, under the bed.
Okay, everyone ready? Let us go!
Oliver, wait. Did you pack the passports?
The passports.
They are in the blue bag. Yes, I packed them.
Oh, thank God. Okay, let us go! Okay, everyone in the car, right now! Let us go!
Oliver, please drive carefully.
I will! Okay, it is 5:30 now. The airport is 40 minutes away. We have time.
Oliver, we need to check in online. We did not check in.
What? We did not check in?
I thought you did it.
I thought you did it!
Come on! Oh no, Oliver.
What? What happened?
Online check-in is closed. It closed 1 hour ago.
Okay. We can check in at airport. We just have to be fast. Very fast.
Just trust me, Sarah. We will make it.
Please let us make it.
Okay, we are here. Where is our airline? Where is the check-in desk?
I do not know. It is so big here. So many people.
Dad, I am hungry.
Sam, not now. Please, not now.
Dad, I need the bathroom.
Lily, 5 minutes. Please, 5 minutes.
Oliver, there! Check-in desk, gate 7, come on!
Yes, let us go. Run.
Yes, please. We have a flight to Manchester at 8 o'clock.
Your name, please?
Smith, Oliver Smith, family of 4.
Smith? Mr. Smith, I am sorry. Check-in for this flight closed 30 minutes ago. No!
But we are here. We are standing right here.
I understand, Mr. Smith, but I cannot check you in now. The gate is closed. I am very sorry. Did we miss the flight? Oh no.
Dad, are we going on the plane?
Not today.
Why? We missed the flight, Sam.
I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this happened.
Sarah, it is okay.
It is not okay, Oliver. We planned this trip for months. And now we missed the flight.
I know, Sarah. I know. And I am sorry. It was my fault. I should have woken up earlier.
No, it was both of us. Both of us forgot the alarm. We are terrible.
We are so terrible we missed our own flight.
Why are you laughing? Because it is funny, Sam. Kind of.
Okay. We cannot change what happened. We missed the flight. But we can fix this.
How?
First, we go back to the desk. We ask about the next flight.
The next flight?
Yes, there must be another flight, today or tomorrow.
Okay, you are right. Let us go ask.
Excuse me. I am sorry to bother you again.
It is okay. How can I help?
Is there another flight to Manchester today?
Let me check. Yes, there is one more flight today. It leaves at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock! That is perfect!
Can we book it right now?
Yes, you can, but there is a change fee.
That is okay. We will pay it, no problem.
Perfect. Let me book that for you.
See? It is okay. Everything is okay.
Yes, everything is okay.
Dad, this sandwich is so good.
Yes, Sam. Airport food is always good when you miss your flight.
Mom, can we do this again? Miss the flight?
No, Sam! We cannot do this again!
Never again!
Whoa, so many planes. They are so big. Where are they all going?
London, Paris, New York, Dubai, Tokyo, everywhere in the world.
Everywhere?
Everywhere, Sam. One day we will go everywhere too.
Promise?
Promise.
I can't entertain life.
You know, I think this is actually okay.
Really?
Yes, we have 6 more hours now, together. Just us. No rush, no stress, just family time.
That is actually beautiful, Sarah.
Do not tell me that. I am still a little upset.
Today was actually not so bad at all.
No, not so bad at all.
Wow. Lily, look at the clouds. They are so beautiful. Yes, Sam. They really are.
Sometimes things do not go as planned. The alarm does not ring, the flight is missed, everything goes wrong. But that is okay. Because when you are with the right people, even the worst days become a good story. Thank you for listening today. Keep going. You can do this. See you in the next story.